How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I'll be reviewing this cutie here. I believe I had this in another color. Can't remember. Anyway, it's called SHIREEN. I have it in the color 1B, and it's a wig by Outre, and it's lace front. Actually, it's a lace part. Okay. It's like a messy, wavy look. Okay. So just have enough lace for this part, right side part. I prefer left side, but I can work with right side part. So I'm going to put some powder in this part. Just using anything I put on my face in the parting area. I'll do it on the underside of the wig. Just to make this lace kind of match my scalp color. Because my scalp is lighter than my face, but it ain't white. Okay. So I'm going to show y'all the specifics of the wig. Since I got it inside out. Okay, it has a nice light and airy wig cap with the weft sewn on. See how stretchy it is. Stretchable. Let me see, it has a comb on each side of the part. There's one. There's one. It has comb in the back with the tag. And along with 2 adjustable straps. Okay. So I'm going to put on my, well, this is how it looks. It's like a crinkle or a wavy, yucky texture. Okay, I'm gonna put on my wig grip. I used to bobby pin all my wigs on, and I discovered wig grips, and the wig ain't going nowhere. So it has a right side part, so I'm putting this lace wig grip over there, and I just have my hair combed back, and it had a ball. It's in a ball today. Okay, let's put it on. I think I want to liven it up some. I'm using some Got to Be Kinkier curling mousse. Most people don't want their wigs to shine. I'm different. I like my wigs to shine, y'all. So if you got a dead looking wig, you want to zhuzh it up, get you some mousse. A curly or wavy wig does wonders. And all this will disappear. It ain't gonna stay white like a bird just got you. It'll disappear. It's just gonna liven it up. I should have sprayed the whole thing. My hands are slick now. Do that side. That's how I do. And this ain't soap. It looks like soap suds, but it's not. If it was, I mean, whatever works. Didn't even bring a brush in here. I can finger comb it. Okay. So liven it up. Okay. Make sure ain't no white patches up in here. Looking nasty. All right. And I cut a MzBrazell notch into the lace. See the little V I cut there? So there won't be a line of demarcation on the part. Angle this wig so the part is over there where it's supposed to be. Hold it so I can pull the back of the wig down over this ball I got. I never prepare my hair for a wig, like French braiding it or cornrowing and all that. No. Nope. I don't do that. If I cornrowed my hair, oh my gosh, my hands and arms would be so tired. So I don't do that. That's it. That's it, y'all. Let me put a little powder right there. Even I don't think it needs anything. But I'm going to do it because I always do it using the skinny brush. Right here. Didn't really need it because you can't see nothing I did. So this is SHIREEN by Outre. And it has, looks like a 4-inch lace part. I didn't show y'all the card too good. It says, oh, high definition transparent lace. But my head ain't that color, so I had to just put some powder in, which is no problem, because I expect to do that, no matter what color the lace is. But this is a throw on and go wig. You ain't got to do nothing. And I like it a lot. I don't know where my other wig is like it. I'm sure I have another one like it, because I remember the name. I didn't check my YouTube playlist to see if I reviewed this before. So, but anyway, this is SHIREEN by Outre in the color 1B. So let me turn so y'all can see all around it. Right side. Shoulder length is a nice length. Back, nice and full. And the left side. So, in the front, I like my earrings to show. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, thumbnail. Okay.